Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Huawei Mate X3 here and we're gonna go ahead and insert a SIM card. You can see that we have no signal right now, and if we go to settings and go to mobile network, SIM management, you see that there is no SIM card inserted, so we'll go ahead and insert a SIM card. To open the SIM card slot, we need a SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip. I'm going to use a paper clip now, and then the SIM card slot is here on the side. And then we'll insert the paper clip, take the tray out. This is what it looks like, and we have space for one SIM card and a nano memory card here. And we're gonna take the SIM card now and put it in here. All right, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. And now the first thing we need to do is to unlock our SIM card. All right, and now we're back in the phone. You can see that we have a signal now, and if we go to our settings, go to mobile network, SIM management, we see that we have a SIM card inserted here. Kongstar is our provider, and actually we can insert two SIM cards. My fault. So you can say two SIM cards or one SIM card and a nano memory card. So that's totally up to you. So now we can go back and make phone calls, send SMS, or well, whatever else. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, sharing, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.